Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best handheld fabric steamer 2023 available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Handheld Fabric Steamer. Detachable 8.79-ounce water tank for 15 minutes of continuous steaming to remove wrinkles perfectly. No leaking. No spilling with leak-proof design enables to steam whether vertically or horizontally. Large water tank. Transparent detachable 260mm/8.79-ounce water tank for easier filling and 15 minutes of uninterrupted steaming. 1200 watts with 30-second fast heat up and powerful steam output to wrinkles your clothes in no time. Safe to use on all fabrics and suitable for clothes, curtains, furniture, toys, and so much more. 3 additional attachments: lint brush, soft brush, and creaser provide versatile steaming options. Ready in 30 seconds. Your time is valuable, so don't waste it. Just plug it in and be ready to steam in 30 seconds or less. Number 4. Handheld Fabric Steamer. Easy to use. This 700-watt Handheld steamer generates gentle, long-lasting steam and has a 9-foot power cord, so you'll never have to worry about operating it remotely, and you can iron clothes from a distance. Portable. Handheld Garment Steamer is portable and lightweight, making it an ideal travel companion. This travel steamer is compact enough to fit in any suitcase or carry-on luggage. Large tank. Handheld Portable Steamer has a water-holding capacity of 240 ml and can provide up to 15 minutes of continuous steaming to eliminate wrinkles flawlessly. Strong penetrating steam. This Handheld steamer creates strong penetrating steam and can be used for a wide range of fabrics. Number 3. Black Plus Decker Fabric Steamer. Auto Shut-Off. After 15 minutes of inactivity, the steamer will automatically power down volts 120. Continuous steam. Lock the steam trigger into place to release a continuous flow of steam that melts away wrinkles in no time. Burst of steam. Hit the steam trigger to generate a powerful burst of steam that blasts away wrinkles. Attachments. Use the included attachments for special jobs, upholstery, delicate fabrics, and lint removal. Extra long cord. The 15th cord gives you plenty of reach for steaming drapes and bedding. Auto shut-off. After 15 minutes of inactivity, the steamer will automatically power down. Continuous steam. Lock the steam trigger into place to release a continuous flow of steam that melts away wrinkles in no time. Burst of steam. Hit the steam trigger to generate a powerful burst of steam that blasts away wrinkles. Number 2. Handheld Fabric Steamer. Turbo Handheld Steamer. This steamer combines the performance of an iron with the power of steam to instantly smooth out wrinkles in clothing and upholstery while killing 99.9% of germs, dust mites, and bed bugs. Easy to use. This freestanding steamer features a 40-second heat up and a 7.3-ounce water tank for up to 15 minutes of continuous steam. Quilted aluminum steamer plate and built-in creaser perform like an iron for a fresh pressed look. 3-in-1 attachment. Includes a silicone band to pull fabric taut for better results, a delicate fabric spacer to protect trims and fine fabrics, and a bristle brush to ensure steam penetrates fibers for a perfect press, even on heavy fabrics. Handheld Fabric Steamers. Our fabric steamers keep your garments, upholstery, curtains, and other home textiles smooth and fresh. Check out entire line including handheld, upright, and travel steamers. Innovative garment care. From fabric shavers and traditional irons to garment steamers, both handheld and full-size/upright. We make high-quality garment care tools for all users. Number 1. Handheld Fabric Steamer. Fast and powerful. 1600 watts of power with 26 grams/min of steam and ready to use in just 40 seconds. Steam your clothes in no time. Clean and refresh your whole household including curtains and furniture. 2 steam levels. Turbo level and delicate level gives you the option to choose the steam output level depending on your fabric. Turbo mode is more steam output to take the wrinkles off a heavy fabric. Heated metal faceplate. Easily iron away any stubborn wrinkles with the heated metal faceplate. Multi-purpose use. Due to its 9.5 ft long cord, use it to steam your drapes, couches, pet beds, etc. Refresh and sanitize your home with Rowenta XL Plus. Steam any type of fabric. Delicate, large, or thick. With different modes of steaming and high steam power, the steamer can wrinkle and sanitize any type of fabric, even suits or jackets. Use tap water. Rowenta steamers work great with regular tap water. Fill the removable 6.76 Oz tank directly from the sink and steam for up to 10 minutes continuously. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.